Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Ford Transit-250. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.